Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram connect to Facebook. To know how to fix Instagram connected to Facebook, you should just go to settings here. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps. And when you will see this list, you will go to Instagram here, go down Instagram. After that, in this page, as you see, we will go to force stop. When you will end here for stop, you will go to storage like this, and here in this page you will go to clear cache, and after that you will go to clear data. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.